Hey YouTube, welcome back to our kitchen. Guess what we got going on for dinner tonight?
Something new?
Yep, and something old. We've got this Honolulu Hawaiian pizza, which sounds super yum. We did barbecue sauce instead, and it's got breakfast bacon and some ham.
Interesting.
And provolone cheese, pineapple red peppers, cheese. We didn't even have to do extra cheese.
We got to get to the exciting stuff here.
We've done our old friend here, the Italian sandwich.
Yeah, you guys seen that before.
But it's always a goodie. Oldie but goodie. I'm going to eat you. Probably that's all. But look what we got.
Wow, how cute. We're going to try this first.
Oh, darn. Yeah, we kind of have to because they're lava cakes. We got an icing now. You had to order that separate. It doesn't come with it. I wish it did. But, ooh, look at that icing.
That's icing, all right.
Num, num, num. Hey, how is it? That's sweet.
Oh, it's kind of, feels like it's just been cooked. It's hard on our side.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man, it's a lava cake, dude.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
I'll let you know how it tastes. I'll be right back.
Okay. He's dipping it in the...
Icing.
He dips it in the icing. Oh, wow. Oh, man. What do you think?
I don't think you're going to like it. I better eat it all.
Oh, cut it out. So you like it?
It's awesome. Oh, my God. That chocolate is so chocolatey. I'm going to try to get some more icing on there.
Oh, man. I got to have me some of this.
The icing is really drippy, though.
Oh, man. And then what are we supposed to do with all the rest of that icing? All right, you guys. It's official. The lava cakes are good. Got to get you one of these. They're the latest thing that we found at Domino's.
Right.
Mr. seems to love them.
I think I'll try to save that till after I eat my dinner.
Cool. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys again.
Oh my gosh.
Dinner time. Give us a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You don't eat pizza, Leo.
He always wants to.
He always wants to. He's leaving anyway. What? Can we get a meow? Can we get a meow meow?
He won't mount. Oh, maybe.
Aww.
Good boy.
Oh, watch out, the baby food's down. All right. Hope to see you guys next time. Have a good one.